Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Daisy. In today's tutorial, we're going to be sewing a beautiful heavy-duty grocery bag. This process is very easy. We only need 2 pieces of 23 by 22 inches of duck fabric or canvas fabric, 1 piece of 10.5 by 12 inches of cotton fabric. This one can be solid color if you wish to customize it. 2 yards or webbing straps. It can be 1 inch or 2 inches wide. I am using 2 inches wide of seatbelt webbing from Scrappy Camel. These straps are very soft and heavy duty. I'm going to leave you the link in the video description in case you would like to order it. Also, I'm going to leave you the link of the 1 inch wide. And if you wish to customize it, you're going to need a piece of 8 by 8 inches of iron-on vinyl to be cut with your Cricut machine. Or if you don't have a cutting machine, you may buy the iron-on design already made. Let's start by preparing the fabric. Let's get the 2 big pieces and put them together. Next, we're going to cut the corners on the bottom. The bottom is the one that measures 22 inches. On the corners, we're going to cut a 3.5 by 3.5 inches square. What I do is using paper or cardstock, I cut the squares with those measurements and put them on the corners, secure them with pins and cut. Next, we're going to fold the top by 1.5 inches and iron. After that, we're going to sew, leaving 1 inch of seam allowance. After sewing, we're going to iron again. Next, we're going to fold the sides by 3.5 inches and iron. After folding the sides, we're going to get the smaller piece of fabric and we're going to fold on top by 1.5 inches. The sides and the bottom are going to be folded by 0.5 inch. Iron all around, and after that we're going to sew on the top, leaving 1 inch seam allowance. Now this is going to be the front pocket and also the place where you can customize it. To place it in the center, we're going to fold the big piece of fabric in half and iron it, just to find the center. And we're going to do the same with the pocket. We're going to fold it in half just to find the center. Now place the pocket on top of the fabric and center it. Secure it with pins all around, and we're going to sew, leaving 1/4 inch seam allowance on the pocket. Remember, we're going to leave the top open. Remove the pins and iron it. This is one pocket. If you wish to add 2 pockets, just sew in the center and you will have 2 pockets. Perfect for cell phone and keys. We're going to place the straps. Let's fold the sides to the center, mark it with a fabric pen or pencil, and we're going to place the ends of the straps, secure them with pins, and sew. Now we already have the straps sewn together. This is how it should look when you finish sewing the straps. Now let's put the two parts together with the inside out. Place pins all around and sew, leaving 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. Remember, the corners we're going to sew them at last. Let's turn inside out and remember the folds that we did at the beginning. Let's fold them again and iron. Over there on the four corners, we're going to top stitch, leaving 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. Let's turn inside out, and now we're going to sew the bottom corners. Let's place them like this, secure them with pins, and sew, leaving 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. One side might look a little longer than the other one, but it's okay. 1/4 of an inch from the shorter end. Let's turn inside out, and the grocery bag is ready. You can leave it like this, or if you wish to customize it, we're going to do that process now. we're going to place the design already being cut by the Cricut machine on top of the pocket. Make sure it's already centered. Place parchment paper on top and press it. The temperature I use is 350 degrees by 40 seconds. And here we have the beautiful heavy-duty grocery bag. This grocery bag is reusable, heavy-duty, and you can carry a lot of stuff. As you can see, it's very easy to sew, and it doesn't require a lot of material. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video. Thank you for your visit, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.